Triangles. A triangle is a plane shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. A triangle is made by 3 line segments. The line segments intersect in their endpoints. To name a triangle, we often use its vertices, the name of the endpoints. The triangle shown alongside is named ABC. A triangle has 3 angles. A triangle is classified according to the measure of their sides or the measure of their angles. Classification by sides. A triangle without any congruent sides or angles is called a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. No equal sides and no equal angles. When a triangle has 2 congruent sides, it's called an isosceles triangle. The angles opposite to the 2 sides of the same measure are congruent. Isosceles triangle, 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. An equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides and 3 congruent angles. Equilateral triangle, 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Classification by angles. A triangle that has 3 acute angles is called an acute triangle. In other words, all angles are less than 90 degrees. Acute angled if all its angles are acute. A triangle that has 1 right angle is called a right triangle. Right angled if one of its angles is a right angle, 90 degrees. A triangle that has 1 obtuse angle is called an obtuse triangle. In other words, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Obtuse angled if one of its angles is obtuse. Angles of a triangle. Interior angles. An interior angle is an angle inside a shape. When we talk about the angles of a triangle, we actually mean the interior angles or the angles inside the shape. Any triangle has 3 interior angles. Angles A, B, and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. Now we can draw a line PQ parallel to the side BC of the given triangle. PQ parallel to line BC and AB is transversal to PQ. We know if 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, the alternate angles are equal. Therefore, the angles QAB and CBA are equal because they are alternate angles, just as the angles ACB and PAC. The angles A, B, and C are angles on a line, so they add up 180 degrees. But the angles A, B, and C also are interior angles. Therefore, it's always true. Interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Exterior angles. An exterior angle of the triangle is the angle between one side of a triangle and the extension of an adjacent side. If we extend the sides of the triangle, we create an exterior angle. The angle PCA is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Let's draw CF parallel to AB. Now we can see that ACF and BAC are equal alternate angles. The angles PCF and ABC are corresponding angles. Therefore, they are equal. Look at the figure. We can realize that the angle PCA is angle A plus angle B. It's always true. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. In other words, the size of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Look at the examples. Interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. X is 102 degrees. The size of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This triangle has two sides of the same size. It is an isosceles triangle. Opposite angles on both sides of the same measure are equal. Interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. This triangle has three sides of the same size. It is an equilateral triangle. It has three equal angles. Interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. All three angles of an equilateral triangle are always 60 degrees. Now it is your turn.